Hello guys! For today's video, ayan, maaga-aga nga pala kaming gumising na aking asawang Amerikano dahil pupunta kami ngayon sa aming schedule para magpa-CT scan ng aking abdominal quadrantes. Ayan, so yung aking upper right ng aking abdomen is masakit siya. So nagpa-ultrasound tayo sa Pilipinas at meron tayong mga diagnosis. So ngayon, ito ang aming journey for today. Hi guys, so maaga tayong gumising at nag-almusal. Ito nga pala yung solution or inumin para sa aking CT scan. Okay, inumin ko to 30 minutes before, dalawa to, tapos mamayang 5:30 and 6:30. So ano siya, for oral use only. Barium sulfate, oral suspension, smoothie siya. So may straw. Ang ganda ng bote niya. Pwede siyang gawing pwede siyang gawing tumbler. So lagyan muna natin dito at balutin natin para yung lamig nandiyan pa rin. 5:15, alis na kami ni Daddy. Pupunta kami Wilmington. Parang ano siya, sa Sorsogon. Lampas pa sa Sorsogon. Very smoothly already cut. Oh, there's a hole. It need a straw. I have straw here. Skip driving, Daddy.
Okay. It might be too thick for a straw.
I think so. Crazy. Yeah. Oh, liquid.
Is it good?
Lasang tempra. Looks like a syrup for a kid, paracetamol. Yan, so papunta na kami doon sa hospital. Ayun guys, umihi muna tayo sa subway. The toilet is in the subway.
Did you use it?
Yeah. Ayan, back to drive na naman si Daddy. Ayan, so inumin naman ulit natin yung pangalawang bote. What's that? So, may flavor siya na berry smoothie. Barium sulfate.
That sounds delicious.
Huh?
Doesn't that sound delicious?
Yeah. It's 30 already.
Yes.
Yeah, it's 6:30 already.
It's not as good as the first time, right?
The first time was good, and this one's a little bit bad. So she said that better to drink cold.
Yeah.
Parang di ko kaya, pero I need to fight, and then I need to the restroom before, okay? Before we reach.
We can go to the restroom when we get to the hospital. Delicious. Tasty, right?
Almost half na, guys. Grabe. I'm full.
Push it down. down, push it down, push it down.
I'm gonna keep this jar.
Was a souvenir.
Two more zip.
Sorry?
2 more zip. I'm done.
Very good.
Ayan, so tapos ko na guys. Thank you so much. So this is my last before my CT scan procedure. Ayan, dito na kami. Papasok na kami sa parking lot. So I have time for my restroom. Iiit tayo. So dito kami sa New Hanover Orthopedic Hospital. An entrance. Ayan guys, nandito na kami. I will bring the marriage license. Also the paper.
You got everything else?
I know, it's okay. No,
Everything else we need?
okay. Ayan, dito na kami. Sa New Hanover Orthopedic Hospital. Alas 7 yung ano namin. Schedule.
Did they give you directions for to go inside?
No, we will ask for the what do you call this one? For the CT scan. Radiology?
Yeah.
I think so. Ayan, may band na ako para sa procedure guys. 4/13/1978. And guys, tapos na kami magpa-CT scan. So mag-a-appear na lang sa apps ko yung result. And then ang doktor babasahin na lang niya at saka magbibigay ng findings kung ano. Later ko na ikukwento sa inyo kung ano yung pinagagawa doon sa CT scan. So when I get in the room for CT scan, they just asked me if I need sheets or a warm coat. Oh, squirrel. And then he asked me about if I did or if I'm undergo before a CT scan. I said no, and they said good. So they give me an IV.
Did you ever take your clothes off?
No, just the pants on off until my legs, and then just put the sheets. I lay down. I got an IV here, and then he said, "Okay, once you go inside, just take a long breath, hold, and then I breathe again." And then he said, "Okay, I'm gonna put an injection to your IV, and then you're gonna stay for 60 seconds. So 1 minute lang ako doon. I have a 1 minute 60 seconds CT scan, and then before I finished, I have a deep breath again, and then I'm done. So it almost 3 minutes. Yeah.
So we paid them $500 a minute.
So just almost 100,000 pesos, and that's it. So we will see the result to my application later, and then my doctor will look for it, I mean, for the findings. Okay. It's an hour. Then I need to drink more water because I have a lot of toxin going to my soul. Waiting for our breakfast, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna have our breakfast now. So, and guys, thank you so much. So I just to share this to all of you. I'm not
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm not hiding myself. So I'm happy for sharing this. Ayan, Jumbo's. Think I need a restroom.
Right.
Overwhelmed.
Alright.
Thank you.
Ayan, naka-order na kami. So, may kape dito.
So we're just killing time. We've got plenty of time to eat.
Yes.
Chicken biscuits.
Ang liit ng restaurant na yan.
You're not going to do a live feed. And if you have an apartment there, you can overlook the marina.
Yeah.
They're not going to have to cut you open.
Yeah. Because I'm afraid.
Or they're not going to have to go up through George and pull your son out.
Yeah.
George won't be happy.
It's good. I don't have any blood in the urine.
Yeah. So it's not
That's-
tearing anything. It's not doing a great deal of damage other than just pain from not being able to pee.
Yeah, you're right.
So, I mean, just think about what the possibilities were you could have had. You know, it could be cancer, liver cancer, it could be kidney cancer, stomach cancer, any of those things.
Okay.
And everything is so clear. That's really good news.
Yeah, you're right.
So when you get this fixed, you'll be perfectly well again. We can get back on your driving and all those other good things. All our other goals and plans.
Yeah. So no, we just finish this thing before we can go to another one. I don't want to divide my mind and my mindset. It should be intact and focus on my medication and health. Driving can be what they call this one. Do some other times.
We got plenty of time.
Yeah.
We've got up until you get your green card to do things where you won't be tied up with working. So you can go through it and see it.
How many years that one?
That was from World War II.
Oh.
A real therapist for 30 minutes,
Yeah.
$150 an
It's
hour.
flower, yes. So we have bumili kami ng plants dyan dito sa what is this one? Walmart, right?
Yeah,
Or Lowe's?
Walmart.
Walmart.
We need to use the restroom while we're here too.
Yeah, you're right. So bumili kami ng flower. Later isi-share ko sa inyo. Yan guys, nandito kami sa sa Walmart. Nandun si Daddy. Tapos punta ako ng restroom. Ang iingihi talaga ako, promise. Sorry? Yeah. Oh! Bili naman kami ng mais, cabbage, melon, at saka okra. Ayan, so may binili naman kami dito guys sa ito yung sinasabi nilang farmers market. Nagtitinda ng mga galing sa farmers, yung mga fresh harvested na fruits, vegetables, and then they have their preserved chuvanyes, diba? Ayan, so meron kami ditong binik na kamote. Tapos ito nga pala guys, nabili naming flower. Ang ganda niya, red. Nagustuhan ni Daddy. Tapos meron naman tayong pot. And then merong rose. Sabi niya $2 lang naman. Tapos ito $14. Oh, 15 na siya, 15. Di pa kami nakapagbili ng soy. Ayan, so pahinga-pahinga na naman tayo. Nandun na naman si Daddy sa kanyang office. And then habang antayin natin yung sagot ng aking doktor. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. Naway naging happy kayo habang nanonood sa akin. Ayan, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagsumusuport. Ayan, so kahit na kunti lang yung ating views, carry lang yan. Kasi I just want to share my life and experience here, and of course the bad and the good. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Have a good day.